Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, and we are back to our update on severe tropical storm MARING with international name Kompasu. And this is now our final update since it left the Philippine area of responsibility this morning. So this is for this Tuesday evening, October 12, 2021. Let's begin with our update. Here's the fast animation issued for today. As you can see, the storm is now still a large system, but it's now moving across the South China Sea outside of Par. So here we go. It's starting to slightly deteriorate with some clear part of the circulation, probably some dry air intrusion along this area, but it may still intensify as it approaches the eastern coastline of Hainan within the next 24 to 36 hours, maybe even up to 48 hours. So as you can see, the large circulation of the system continues to dump rainfall across Luzon, including the Bicol region. Like we said yesterday, the southwest monsoon, which was over the area of western Mindanao, Palawan, and Visayas, has migrated up north, and it's already affecting Bicol region, northern portions of Mimaropa, and the whole of Luzon. But in the next couple of days, this monsoon will start to weaken, and as you can see here, the system is moving faster towards Hainan Island. And we have another low pressure area which developed here. This is LPA 94. 96. This is LPA 96W, which developed in the vicinity to the south of Guam, and this is currently a low chance of developing into a tropical cyclone. And here comes Namjoon, which is expected to recurve within the next few days. And if we check our zoom in satellite animation, this is from windy.com. You can observe here that the weather system or the tropical cyclone is so large, okay, pulling in the southwest monsoon across basically the whole of the Philippine Islands. But in the next few days it will start to weaken, and based on the computer models, there might be another low pressure area that may form to the west of Luzon. And as we take a look on the final track that we issued around 11 a.m., the storm right now is somewhere here, and it continues to move on a generally westward track towards Hainan Island. So it left Par around 12 noon, and lots of damage on agriculture, and some heavy flooding was reported from the national news brought about by this large tropical storm. And there are approximately 3 deaths right now from the landslide that occurred over the Cordillera. Let's all pray for them. Let's hope their lives will be back to normal in the next few months. So that's what we continues to suffer because of climate change, and most of the people are now living in hazard-prone areas, so they suffer a lot. Let's hope that they will recover in the next few months. And here's the Asian tracks, okay, of Kompasu. Most of them, let's make it bigger, agree that it will make landfall over southern Hainan within the next 24 hours. And if we take a look at the wind and pressure forecast from the European model for the next 3 days until Friday. So tomorrow, the storm will be making landfall over southern Hainan, and we still have here 96W and tropical storm Namchun. So it's currently the trough of Namchun is connected with 96W, so it's likely not a threat to our country. And on Thursday, variable winds will now persist across Luzon, and the weakening of the southwest monsoon, and tropical storm MARING making landfall over northern Vietnam, and the LPA 96W has started to become wider and is likely to weaken. Okay, while variable winds will produce some thunderstorms across most parts of the country this Thursday afternoon or evening. And on Friday, we have here a convergence of the southwesterly and northeasterly wind flow, bringing some possible monsoon trough here, or the intertropical convergence zone. It will generate more thunderstorms across the country. And here comes Namchun, still there, but it's starting to move towards the northeast, and another LPA is likely to form to the south of Hong Kong on Friday. So there you go. It's all quiet for the next 7 days here in the Western Pacific, except for these small vortices or low pressure systems in the Western Pacific. And pardon our video, because we are currently using a backup unit, since our main unit has suffered some breakdown. It's currently not rebooting, but let's hope that in the next few days it will be fixed. But for the meantime, we are using this backup unit, so don't be surprised if you see my video, which is buffering, okay, since we are using a lower model. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Tuesday evening, and we will returning tomorrow, Wednesday, to give you our usual tropical weather analysis, our MWF releases. So again, from Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you so much for watching our channel.